Hey guys, Brian here with Nightstick. Today we're going to install a Nightstick shotgun Forend light on a Mossberg or Remington 12-gauge pump-action shotgun. Before we begin, it's critical to make sure that your shotgun is completely unloaded. Check the chamber both visually and physically, as well as the feed tube. Also ensure there's no ammunition in your work area. Let's begin by opening the action slightly to allow the barrel to unlock from the bolt and unthread the barrel retention cap. Once removed, slide the barrel off. At this point, grab the action tube nut wrench supplied with your new Forend light and use the end labeled Mossberg or Remington, depending on your model and shotgun. Slide the wrench over the action tube until it indexes with the castle nut and remove. If your action tube nut has never been removed, you might benefit from a little penetrating oil on the threads prior to loosening it. Next, remove the stock pump handle from the action tube assembly. It's an interference fit, so it may take a few tries. For Mossberg 500 and 590 owners, next measure the action tube length. If your tube is 7 3/4 inches long, you'll need to use the included Mossberg spacer tube. Slide it into the end of the Forend light chassis until it seats completely. For Mossberg Shockwave or Remington owners, a spacer is not needed. Slide the Forend onto the action tube assembly and make sure to seat it fully. Reinstall the action tube nut and tighten. Reinstall your barrel and barrel retention nut. Make sure to cycle the action to ensure there's no binding and that the shotgun functions as intended. You can also install the optional safety hand stop strap with the included Allen screws, washers, and Allen key. This strap is essential for Shockwave and TAC-14 owners with short barrels to prevent the support hand from slipping in front of the barrel during use. If you encounter any issues, remove the barrel and check the installation of the Forend for proper alignment and that it's fully seated. That's it. You're ready to use your Nightstick Forend weapon light. Thanks for watching, and remember, when life depends on light, depend on Nightstick.